Hi all, we are PTE for sure. We are providing complete training to successfully crack PTE Exam with your desired score. We will provide you tips and tricks to get 65 and 79 in PTE. After enrolling, our course's material would be provided online. For more information, kindly contact through WhatsApp or other details mentioned in the video.
Wave propagation is a PowerPoint presentation using text. The sound speed, at 20 degrees Celsius, is 343 meters per second. In vacuum, the speed of light is 108 meters per second. The speaker reads the PowerPoint presentation. Then he explains why we see lightning before we hear thunder, and why we see viewers from across the court rising before we hear their cheer when watching basketball games in the gym. Because light travels faster than sound, this is the case. Consider if you should do the right thing or the wrong thing. People are more likely to perform the right thing if a task is well designed, but they are more likely to make mistakes if it is not. Distractions: people will become distracted and forget what they are doing. If something interrupts our cognitive process, we often forget to take the original copy after using the copy machine. To prevent making mistakes, you can use one of two ways. The likelihood of making mistakes is determined by the task design quality, thus you should polish the directions. People are more inclined to perform the right thing if the assignment is well designed. People are prone to making errors. Remember to stay focused and avoid distractions. If the thought process is disrupted, persons who photocopy may leave the original copy in the machine.
A wind turbine is a device that converts wind energy into mechanical energy that can be used to operate a water pump or an electricity generator. Now, the amount of power generated by the turbine is obviously dependent on the wind speed, as well as the number of sails, their area, and the angle at which the sails face the wind. So, if the turbine blades face straight into the wind will simply bend them. If the wind meets them at a small angle, the blades will revolve. That can be used to power things. Now we're going to try our hand at creating some very, very simple paper windmills, the kind that you can make from scraps around the house and use to power a little generator to power electronic devices.
Globalization and urbanization are causing little languages to become extinct. Many small languages have been replaced by global languages such as English. People have been migrating to cities, where small languages are struggling to thrive. Some endangered languages can currently only be found on a few distant, uninhabited islands.
A pie chart showing 60% of frogs with normal limbs and 20% with. The graph depicts several tree types of frogs in various regions, demonstrating their life patterns and impact on humans. For many years, there has existed a frog variant in which some have more limbs and others have less. The lecture also discusses why the gene mutation occurred. Many people are concerned that the river where the frogs dwell will be polluted, affecting our health.
If you like our video, kindly subscribe our channel and also press below bell icon. Thank you.